Hey, we got a good one for him today, don't we?
We do.
The Gyro burger, and I'm gonna call it the Shaylin after my lovely wife. Stay tuned.
Hi, I'm Shaylin and you're watching Cooking with the Robinsons, where we create our favorite family meal and we put it on video so that you can duplicate them at home. So today we're making a Gyro burger, definitely one of my favorites, and you cannot have one of those burgers without tzatziki sauce. So that's what I'm going to prepare today, and let me show you what I did earlier to prepare the vegetables. Now, after you've chopped up those cucumbers, you're going to want to add some salt to the mix. And the reason for that is because that salt is really going to draw out the liquid and additional water that's in those cucumbers. I like to put mine in a strainer and have a bowl on the bottom of it and just let it hang out for about an hour. All right, so let's start making that sauce. You're gonna wanna start with Greek yogurt. And let me tell you, this sauce is so delicious. It doesn't have to be just for this Greek burger. You can have this sauce, go pick up, from your favorite Greek restaurant, some homemade fresh pita bread, which we love. Next, you're gonna wanna get those drained cucumbers. And as you can see, there's a lot of water that's already at the bottom of this bowl. And I'm just gonna go ahead and squeeze a little bit more because we don't wanna have a lot of additional moisture into that sauce. And take those cucumbers and add that to the mix. Next, we're gonna add some dill and some of that garlic. And as always, look below for all the measurements and all the ingredients. For this dish, we're just gonna have about 1/4 of a lemon. There we go. And some olive oil. It smells absolutely delicious, like we're out in a fresh garden at my little grandma's house. Ah, good memories. And then just add some salt and pepper to taste. And that's it. Super simple. Let's mix it up. All right, let's give this a taste. That is wonderful, so fresh. Oh my gosh, delicious. I am gonna add a little bit more salt and pepper. I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator and let it marry a little bit more while Sean works on that burger.
Okay, so now we're putting together all the ingredients for this Gyro burger. And here we have a pound of lamb, which to me is just one of my favorite kinds of meat. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna break this up a little bit so that it's easier to combine later. I find it's a little bit easier. More on the front end, less on the back end. Then I've got a pound of 80/20 ground chuck. This is some good Angus beef, the good stuff, right? And I'm calling this burger, really I'm calling this the Shaylin burger because she loves Mediterranean style food. And my goal is to do a burger for every family member. So if you think that's a good idea, put a comment below and say, hey, make some more burgers, and I'll be glad to do it. I have some ideas for all my kids and my grandkid and all that stuff. So we're gonna grate a small onion as well. And sometimes when you're grating onions, they can tend to fall apart on you. As long as you get most of this onion into your mixture, you'll be in good shape, so no worries there. Next important part here for me is to drain the excess liquid that this onion will have. Just get that, squeeze that out, use a strainer, whatever you have to do just to get rid of a lot of that extra liquid. You don't want a soupy mixture over there. So we'll combine the lamb with the meat and the spices, and I'll put a list of all the ingredients below in the description. Hey, if this is the kind of thing you like to cook, we're making videos like this all the time. We'd love for you to subscribe, hit that bell notification so you can get notified anytime we're making another video. As you can see, we'll put the breadcrumbs and the garlic into this mixture. Now all that's left to do is to combine everything evenly, make it into hamburger patties and get it on the grill. Okay, so we've got the Gyro burger here. It's time to eat it. It's the perfect blend of lamb and beef and tzatziki sauce. Give it a taste and see what you think, babe.
All right.
This one's named after Shaylin. She can eat this thing without making a mess. What do you think? Is it delicious?
That is so good.
Oh man.
It's like, you don't even have to go to a Greek restaurant. You can make this at home.
Oh my God.
That lamb has such a distinct flavor. And that tzatziki sauce, I mean, it is just like fresh, amazing flavor in your mouth.
And the tzatziki sauce is just the perfect addition to it, right? The cucumber taste in there, that dill. It's delicious, guys. If you have, you're bored, you're making just a traditional burger, make something different. Make a Gyro burger. It's worth a little extra time and effort, and you're gonna love it, I promise. Thanks for watching, guys.
See you next time. It's gonna give it a taste. Let it cool and okay. All right. Woo! Є Daneshki.